Good morning. Today we will study the potentiometer characteristics. Okay. We can also see the potentiometer as an error detector. Here we can see the potentiometer kit is there, having the input potentiometer, which is also called as the reference potentiometer and output potentiometer. The first characteristics we have to measure, that is a angular position of the potentiometer with respect to the angular position of the rotor of the potentiometer and the resistance associated with the variable point of the potentiometer. So we know that the potentiometer is a three terminal devices in which the voltage is constant voltage is applied across the two constant terminals, and the variable voltage we get across the one fixed terminals and one variable terminal. So this device generally used for getting the variable voltage across the output terminal, that is one fixed terminals and another variable terminal. So first characteristics we are going to measure here the angular position of the potentiometer and the resistance. So the potentiometer gives the change in resistance that is linearly related with the shaft positions. Okay, as you change the shaft positions, the resistance of potentiometer will also change. If the total resistance are known to us, and if we vary this shaft in the range of 0 degree to the 345 degree, then the value of resistance R at any shaft position can be calculated just by using the formula. That formula will be shared to you. Okay, or we can measure also the resistance just by varying this shaft of the potentiometer, and we can measure this resistance. Now here for the 0 position the resistance is 0. Now we are increasing the shaft position. Okay, now it is a 30 degree. For 30 degree it is a 73.7 ohm. Okay, and 30 degree 60 degree it is a 145 ohm. Now increase the resistance gradually. Now for 90 degree it is a 207 ohm, and for the 120 degree, the as you changing the shaft position of the potentiometer, the resistance with respect to this terminal is also changing. So we will get the observation table, that is a angular position of the shaft and the resistance associated with the changing position of the shaft, and we can plot the graph of angular position theta against the resistance R. Okay. Now this is about the potentiometer characteristics. Second, we have to connect the supply to this reference potentiometer. Second is the input angular position versus the output voltage. Here we can consider any potentiometer as the input potentiometer, and keeping another potentiometer at 0 shaft position. Okay, we have to measure the by keeping the one potentiometer at fixed position. Okay, and we have to measure the output across the variable terminal of the reference potentiometer and variable terminal of the output potentiometer. Okay, so now here it is a error is 135. Okay, then this is the output voltage 2.0. now the we have increased the output potentiometer shaft 135 minus 30 degree. Okay, so it is a 105. Okay, in this way we have to increase the position of the shaft. And now suppose when you make the 135 and 135, that means there should be the 0 error. Okay, so this is 135, this is also 135, so the error is 0. Okay, now we have to increase further. Now the error will be negative because 135 minus 150, so error will be negative, and the corresponding voltage is also show the polarity. Okay, now it is a 180. We can check. Okay, for 210. Okay, it is 1.108. It is a 240 minus 1.5. Okay, so in this way we can measure the error. Thank you very much.